In this video, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram on my iPhone. So if you're currently facing that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Instagram app. So just close your Instagram app and instead go into your settings app. And now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So now on your settings app, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says general. So click on general in here. It should now take you to this page, which is great. So on this page, then what you're going to do, scroll down a little bit and then click on storage. It's going to load and perfectly you should now be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down a little bit and then find Instagram in here. So just a second, I'm going to see if I can find it. It might be either all the way down below or maybe I've actually missed it. Just a second, I apologize. Going to scroll way up here. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. So as you can see, Instagram app in here. So I'm just going to click on upload app in here and then click on upload app once again. So that is exactly what you need to do as well. And then you're just going to click on the blue button here once again, as you can see, because what will happen now is that you will now auto update your Instagram app. So it's going to auto update to the latest version and it's going to fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous version as well. So I did this myself and it was actually fixed. What you can also do if you want to is to just scroll up in here, as you can see, enable your airplane mode and then just quickly disable it, because what will happen then is that you will now actually be basically you will regain connection to Wi-Fi. If you were using Wi-Fi or mobile data, you will now regain access to it again, but you will get a stronger connection, and that can also fix this issue for you, just so you know.